Hi, I'm Lindsay. Right now I'm getting my house ready to move. We are packing up. We'll be moving here in about 2 weeks. Pardon the bit of a mess, but we've got kiddos, as you can see.
How do you plan to present the house to the buyers?
Oh, in as best possible condition that we can. This is a home that we loved. It was our first home, and we're excited to pass it on, and we want to leave it really in better condition than we found it. That's kind of something we try to live by. One bit of advice that I would give when you're packing with children is, I think, to be very prepared. Do anything you can to have all of your supplies ready. We went and bought bulk boxes. We had our bubble wrap ready. I had a Sharpie, tape, scissors, everything ready to go so that on the day that we were doing heavy packing, there's not, trying to find stuff. And then also another thing I would say is if you can have family members. We had grandparents come and take the kiddos out for the day. That was super helpful. If not, maybe you could hire like a mother's helper, maybe a teenager in your neighborhood, or somebody that you know to come and hang out with the kids and play and just have them occupied.
Lindsay, I am your aunt.
This is true.
And I am your realtor.
Yes.
How has it been, and I'm not looking for compliments,
Well,
how has it been working with a family member on selling your home?
oh, the best. Just the best. I've never felt uncomfortable asking you any kind of questions. I feel like you have my best interests, or our family's best interests in mind. It's been fun. You showing up in sparkly boots was one of my favorite memories for an open house. And then also another thing I would say is if you can have family members. We had grandparents come and take the kiddos out for the day. That was super helpful.